king who was asked by the doctors not to eat mango because if he eats mango, he will die. One day he goes on hunting with his minister and they get tired and they were sleeping under a tree. So a mango falls on his head. So immediately the minister says, "My dear king, let's run away from here." Why? "Oh, this is a mango tree." "So what? The doctor told me not to eat mango, but I can sit under the mango tree." And after some time another mango fall. And then the king picks up. And the minister said, "Don't, that's mango. There's no harm in touching it. I'm just seeing if it's ripe or not." And then he brings it close to his nose and starts smelling it. And the minister says, "But what are you doing?" He says, "I'm just smelling it. Don't be a fool. I'm not eating it." And then he's just about to, take out one, and he said, "What are you doing?" He said, "I'm just tasting it. I'm not eating it." And finally he ends up eating it. So this is what happens in our life. We end up having close association with Maya, and then we have questions like, why am I not able to control? Why am I not having focus on my chanting? Why am I getting tempted by this? Don't expose yourself. Keep yourself safe. Temptations will come. We don't welcome them. Yeah, they will come. Just keep them at safe distance. They're very difficult to fight alone with temptations. When you're getting tempted to something, the first thing you pick up your phone and call. Call somebody whom you idealize. Call somebody who's your mentor. Would say something which will divert your mind from that particular temptation. Devotees are not available. Or just open a Bhagavatam, random one verse. Prabhupada will speak to you. Then Prabhupada will give you an answer. You just hear somebody for 5 minutes, that's it. And then I'm going to indulge in this only after I hear 15 minutes of this katha. Or, every time that I give any kind of a session, the first question the devotees will ask is, "It's very nice when you hear it. I also want to do it. But when actually situation arises, I'm unable to do it." Yeah, fine. Then that's going to happen. It's a game. Well, sometimes you will win, sometimes he will win. But keep playing the game. Don't come out of it. Just continue and continue and continue. It's okay if there is no consistency. Just be resilient. You may fall, but get up again and again. That's all we can do, right? So let's do what we can, and then Krishna will do what we can't.